Well guys, it's been another rather productive week here at the South Coast home. A lot of siding work has been going on this week. So that brick's up. We've been playing around with some colors and some sort of textures or layering schemes for the lime wash on that brick. We've been looking at some exterior paint colors, and then just the hardy siding's been going on all around the house. Roofing has also started. They're getting a lot of the roofing done on the house currently. So we'll take a look at all the progress that's been made and catch you back here in a second. All right guys, like I said, and like you saw, siding, roofing, all that sort of stuff is going on. I'm really pleased with how a lot of the siding details are coming together, blocking out around all the outlets and where the spigots are coming out and all that sort of stuff, just sort of making a dedicated flat block in the siding for all those penetrations to come through. We're going to come back where the water heaters are. Once we get those all sort of situated and put together, we'll come back and cut out a rectangle where those will mount on the wall, and we'll put a flat backer there, as well as on the penetrations for the HVAC, the refrigerant lines. We will be having, sorry about that, for the HVAC lines, we're going to put some Airex, I think it's Airex, I'll have to look up the brand, but basically some dedicated termination spots, or not termination, penetration covers there for that sort of stuff. So definitely want to stay tuned if you want to see how all those siding details finish out. So click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up if you're liking these videos. Leave me some comments down there in the comment section. All that helps out with the algorithm, helps spread the channel, helps more people see this sort of stuff, which is what we're trying to do here at the South Coast Home, is help people see the building process. So anyway, I hope y'all have a good one. We'll catch you next time down here at the South Coast Home.